What's up, Dilbert? You gonna be the first one here? I just need my mic. Shit. Sorry. Just setting up my microphone. There. Hopefully y'all can hear me now. Alrighty, everyone. Welcome to Devstream 4. Today we're going to be continuing work on the game Bygone, which I've been working on for a little bit. The plan today is we're going to create a third attack. Hang on. Does no one hear the music? I don't know. I feel like the music's not coming through anyway. We're going to be making a third attack for the first encounter with the villain. No, you don't, says Dylan. Okay, yeah, I'll try and fix the music in a sec here. We're going to be adding a settings screen to the game and also enhancing the title screen a little bit. And then with any luck, we'll be releasing version 0.1. And yeah, time permitting, I'm going to also see if I can't get a little bit of chill out game time in at the end. Might play a little Guild Wars 2. So let's say beep, beep, beep. Time permitting, and we'll add a checkbox and say jam some Guild Wars 2. Alrighty, update comment. Now, yeah, let's see if I can't fix that audio. That's weird. That would be from the macOS screen capture. Okay, hold on. You're probably going to lose my screen for a sec here, but let's just try this here. Reset it a little bit. There you go. I think that's got the music now, eh, Dilbert? Oh, it's as the song pauses, of course. But there you go. You should hear the music now. Yeah, you hear it? Okay, sweet. Dilbert, is the music too loud, or is it, like, how's it compared to my voice? Can you make out my voice okay? Right, so I might just turn it down a little bit. It looks a little loud. It's really quiet. I can hear your voice fine. Okay, cool. Put it back to where it was then. That's kind of the goal. Yeah, so first things first, let's head on over to the folder. Oops, not that one. 2024 games, Bygone, npm run dev. So the first thing I'm thinking we'll do is we'll throw in a new attack for our villain. What I'm thinking for the new villain attack is he'll just kind of like rain like fireballs on the player. But I'm not sure if I don't think they're going to be fireballs. I think it would be cooler if they were like the same like black dark material that he's made out of. I don't know, Dilbert, do you have any ideas for what he could be dropping on the player when he does like one of his attacks? Because we've already got it so sometimes he'll teleport up and summon hands. that fall out or that come out of the ground and try and grab you. See if I can get him to do that. Yeah, here we go. So sometimes he'll summon hands and wah, hand will grab you, and that's it. But I'm thinking his alternate attack would be he's in the same position, floating up above the guy, and yeah, he'll rain something on him. I was thinking like generic fireballs, but they're just made out of black stuff would be kind of cool. Oh, actually, you know what we could probably do? Hang on, I've got an idea. We could probably make it so that they're like, we're using particle emitters, and then that would make them look hella cool. So let's try that. Let's see, so, oh, here we go. Dilbert says, I think that the black dark fireballs would be good because the main character or boss is also like a dark figure, so it could be some representation about humanity's darkness is inside of us. Hell yeah, I like that. Which shows if we use goodness, the plants and stuff grow at the end of the game. So it's like choosing to give in to the side that we already have or choose the other side. I don't know, but no, I like that. I think that's a cool idea. Heck yeah, man. So with that in mind, yeah, we'll go with the dark fireballs. So we've got a fire, we'll just call this fireball.js. We'll start working on it. So we'll go import game objects from phaser, const sprite equals game objects, and we'll say export class, we'll call it fireball. That's a good idea. Yeah, I'm into it, dude. It'll be good. Extends sprite constructor. So for the constructor, we're gonna need a scene, an X, and a Y, and that's all we'll really need. We'll call the super call on scene, X, Y, and the string, or the texture rather, will just be the empty pixel. And then we'll say, like, I'm thinking what we could do is just make the pixel invisible and then make a particle emitter around it. So we'll assign the scene equals to scene, just so we have reference to that later. We'll say this dot set visible false, so that way the particle is invisible by default. But we'll also say this dot scene dot add dot existing this dot scene dot physics dot world dot enable this. And I'm thinking what we can do is make it so the particles just fall and just use gravity to our advantage. Now let's see, let's make some scaffolded functions here. So we'll say detonate, or let's just call it explode. And this is going to happen when it hits either the player or the ground, and it's going to blow up the particle emitter. So let's go into the villain. Oops, wrong villain, and we'll just basically snag his particle emitter. Here we go. Yeah, this one we'll basically do. Actually, we can just steal the whole thing, can't we? Snag that. PFX, and then we'll say this dot PFX dot start follow this, so it follows the pixel as it falls. And then here we can just say this dot PFX dot explode, And the count, I want it to be like a pretty decent count, so let's do like, I don't know, 500, see if that's excessive or not. Gravity Y 100, that's probably fine because it'll kind of make it drift upwards. Tint, all that, yep. Let's do, I don't know, let's just leave it like that for now and see how it looks in a minute. This dot pfx dot start, and then we'll also say this dot pfx dot stop in here, and that should stop the, what are scaffolded functions, Dylan asks. Scaffold functions are just like when you have like, you're creating a new function, but you don't really know what it's gonna do yet. So you just basically make an empty function and it's like a placeholder for when you wanna fill it in and know what you want. So in that case, I just made explode because I knew we wanted to have an explosive function. I'll make it a little bigger because you're on your phone. But yeah, so we wanted to have like an explosive function. And then I was like, okay, so like I know it's going to explode, so we'll worry about implementing explode later. But then I did kind of just go ahead and do it. But yeah, it's just basically like, yeah, like scaffolding a house. It's like you put up the scaffolding before you actually fill in the details. So now the next thing I want to do is hit up demo, and we'll find this dot ground. Yeah, that's it. So it's called this dot ground. So now we'll say this dot scene dot physics add dot overlap, or maybe we could use a collision, a collide. What is it? Collider, I think. Yeah, add collider. Collider. Add a collider, we'll say, well, we're gonna have to do two here. So first one will be this dot scene dot ground and this. And then we'll say collide callback. I think that is when it actually collides, so that should be the one we want. And we'll just say this dot explode. And then we kind of just want to do the same one on hero. Only on the hero one, we also want it to, oh, okay, sweet, says Dilbert. Yeah, man, that's how that works. So this one will be this dot scene dot hero. But in this one, we're going to want to do two things. We're going to want to say explode the particles, but we're also going to want to make it inflict damage. And honestly, I can't remember how we're inflicting damage right now, but it should be somewhere in here. Or, no, wait, I think it's in hero. So hero, inflict? Yeah, inflict damage from X. Oh, I see. I think that's old. I'm not using that anymore. Yeah, so that's not how we did it. So let's check the villain. And we'll say damage, take damage, target take damage. So there's a function called take damage in here. There we go, take damage, direction, force. So for the direction and the force, I think we'll just do a random direction if the fireball hits us. So we'll say this dot hero dot, or no, this dot scene dot hero take damage. Now it's expecting the amount of damage, which will just be 1, because I don't want it to I don't want it to hit too hard with these fireballs. The direction will be a random between 0 and, or -1. Actually, wait, if we just made direction, whatchamacallit, if we just made it 0, oh, and I spelled it wrong, take damage, there we go. If we make the direction 0, the force just won't be applied, so we'll just say direction 0, force can be 10 or something. So there, now it should do half a heart's worth of damage when it hits him. So now we just need to deal with spawning these fireballs, which I'm gonna do in the villain class. Emerge, teleport, yeah, move index, here it is. So move not implemented. So it's move index 0 is kick, 1 is summon. Now we'll just do else if move index equals 2. So that was 1, right? Yeah, 1, now 2. This is gonna be his dropping fireballs thing. So we're gonna do very much the same as this. Summon hands. And then we'll just don't need the number of hands. We still want to set them in the same position and do the same animation. And then this is just the logic for spawning the hands. So maybe we'll do const num fireballs equals pmath dot between. So we'll do between like 4 and 8 fireballs that he spawns. So we'll do num fireballs. And then the delay will be that. After that, a certain amount. Actually, let's make it a little quicker. So he'll shoot the fireballs a little faster. So 1/4 of a second between each fireball. Now, right, yeah, I can basically do the exact same thing here. What if you use, Dilbert says, what if you use your sword to hit him a bunch of times, and it charges up like a mana bar or something, and then you can use the fireball, like it's the final stage of the boss. Oh, that would be cool, man. What if it like, because I've already got that uppercut attack, it's not done, but I've got it. So what if you could like bounce the fireballs back up at him and do damage to him that way? That might be cool, know what I'm saying? Also, hey Philip, what's up? Let's see, so we got random offset. Yo, says Philip. How you doing, man? How's your day been? So now we just want to do new fireball. Good, good, man, I'm glad. We're just doing a little game dev here today, working on my my Bygone game. We're adding a new attack to the villain. The last attack for the 0.2 release, which hopefully we'll get to actually release today. So that can actually stay the same because it's gonna randomly select an X in the current fireball for the win, says Philip, no doubt. And then the only thing we need to change here is the Y can be the villain's Y. So we can just say this dot Y. And that might be all we need. So let's try it. Actually, wait, I'm just gonna force it to use the new attack. So that way it doesn't take us a million years to test it. There you go. So now he should use the fireballs every time he teleports. So here we go. So he should appear in any second here. There he is. Okay, so now we just gotta wait for him to teleport. Then he should start. Woo! Look at those fireballs! Oh my goodness. Okay, okay, okay. It's lagging my computer hard. That was a little excessive. So first of all, they rained down way too quickly. So, let's change that delay. That'd be cool. Yeah, man. So, you're talking, game over, says Philip, no doubt. How'd you do that emoji, Philip? Is that like a YouTube thing? Let's do like a way bigger delay, so like 750. Dylan says fire. Hell yeah. So delay, so like a let's just make it a full second between fireballs, because that was excessive. And I think it started lagging because of the explosion, which made the count like, let's make the count like 2 and just see what happens. This should make it not lag to hell. I was looking for a fireball emoji. Looks like Dylan found it before me. Emoji? Yeah, haha. Yes. Yes, indeed. Okay, let's see. This time it shouldn't lag out my computer at the very least, because that was extreme. It's rare that my computer lags on this stuff, so there we go. Boom, boom. Oh, except it's not destroying itself. Okay, it does do damage though, so that's good. All right, hold on. So we also need, to explode it, but then we also need to say this dot destroy. So we got to destroy it when it lands on the ground. Also, that explosion was pretty weak, so I'm gonna make like 25. Let's try that. And then anything else? I don't know. I think that was a little too wimpy, the 1 second delay. So let's do, well, but it's also the first encounter with him, so like I don't want it to be too extreme. So let's try this, see how this looks. The gravity does seem to like drop them quite quickly too. My kind of show, says Dilbert. Heck yeah, man. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, no, 1 is like way too easy. 1 second? Yeah, right. Let's make it like 750. Let's try that. I want to get Ku to do some more voiceovers for this, so then the villain can do different sounds when he's doing different attacks to like signify what attack's coming. There we go. This is pretty decent. Nice. All right, cool. There we go. This is better. And like, let's let one of them hit me, for example. Oh no, it's actually kind of hard to get hit by them. Probably because it's literally just a pixel. I should change that. Let's say, okay, also here, instead of making it invisible, we'll just say this dot set scale, make it like 5. Let's try this. This should work better. Dragon Apple, what's up? Dragon Apple says, oh hi. Yeah, it's still kind of hard to get hit by them to be, oh, uh-oh. We got a bug. Cannot read properties of undefined reading hero. Fireball, line 34, was it? Yeah. Fireball, line 34. I'm probably just referencing it without the scene. Oh, maybe I'm not. This dot scene dot hero. That's weird. Why is he undefined? Yeah, learn line 34, so it should be there. Take damage. Let's say console dot log. This dot scene dot hero. See if we can get that to replicate. How you doing, Dragon Apple? Haven't seen you around this neck of the woods before. I was just about to do a shout out too, no doubt. So I gotta get hit by it, that's the trick here. There. Oh, interesting, it didn't hit my undefined. Cannot read properties of undefined reading. This dot scene dot hero. Oh, so this dot scene is undefined. Must be like a scope issue or something. Although explode works, so why is that scope not good? Let's just say pause on uncaught exceptions. We'll step through it with the debugger and see. Me just lurk. Okay, no worries, man. Lurk away. Yeah, so let's step through this with the debugger and see what we can figure out about it. Here we go. There. Got him. So now, what's going on here? Let's find out. Make this a little wider so I can actually see what I'm doing. So what's this in this scenario? It's a fireball. Scene is undefined. That's really bizarre. Because right up here we're saying this dot scene equals scene, but it's undefined up here too. Scene, scene, scene. Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. I think I get you. It's cold in here. I think it's freezing. Oh, is it cold in here? Because I think it's freezing. Uh-oh. Oh, is the stream freezing? Damn. I think it's okay on my end, Dilbert. It might just be your data connection. Yeah, so I think that gave me an idea. It might be in villain where we're summoning the fireballs, but it's not, because... Nah, it's not lagging, says Dragon Apple. Okay, cheers, man. Good. This, so yeah, so the context was still, hang on, where's, that's weird. Network, services, no. Oh, sources, that's what I want. No lag on your end either, Phil. Okay, cheers, guys. Cannot read properties undefined, reading hero. So it's not finding the hero on the stream. I wonder, maybe, here's an idea. What if I just do the same thing I did in the other ones, which is just assigning a target. This dot target equals this dot scene dot hero out here. And then we'll just say switch all this around for this dot scene, no, so this dot target dot take damage. Let's try this. Just resize that a little. Let's try this. Oh, it might be the villain.js has seen undefined. Yeah, Dragon Apple, good call. I'll check that out if this doesn't work. Yeah, good call, man. Either undefined or maybe villain spawning it in a weird scope where it's undefined. That could also be it, no doubt. Oh, no, that worked. We took damage. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's what's up. Still really easy to dodge them though. You basically have to do nothing. So let's make them a little bigger. Also, we'll set the same tint so that they're not like white with black. We'll say this dot set tint. Boop. And then, nah, it's just lagging when you get hit with the fireball. A D. Funny guy. You know what we do with funny guy. I just got that lagging because it was crashing. Funny guy. Funny guy. Let's make the scale a little bigger, like 10 maybe. Let's see how this looks. Alright, here we go. Whoa, 10's excessive. Also, it doesn't look very good because it's just a big square. So nah, let's keep the scale as like a small scale, so like 4, and we'll just spawn way more of them. That's what I'm thinking. So villain, set it back to 500 and see how that feels. Number of fireballs can be between 8 and 16. Let's see how this is in terms of game difficulty. And if this is good, I think I'm just gonna commit it, switch back the move index so he can do any of his moves, send it, and away we go. Bah, ah, ouch, yep, that's way better. Bam, and he got me. I mean, that was a weird game over for when he got me, but you know what? I'm happy with it. It's good. It works. Yeah, that's it. We got our fireball in, man. Yeah, buddy. Let's say get add all, get commit, -m. Oh, hold on. Nope. I gotta make it so his move index isn't totally wacky. Right here. Bam, bam. There we go. Hit -m, adds fireball attack to, let's just say adds fireball attack. Bam. Push origin main. Awesome. That's that. So let's check that off our to-do for the stream. Create third villain attack. Now we want to do game settings and enhance the title screen. I reckon we should enhance the title screen before we do the game settings, because I think that's realistically where the settings should live, is on the title screen. Also, you guys got to give me just a minute. I left my vape outside. I'll be right back. Once I de-mic myself. Need that nicotine. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying, Dilbert? You got me. Philip says thumbs up. Right on, right on. Okay, one sec. Sorry, it's so fiddly getting this thing on. Sorry if I'm deafening anyone doing this. There. Should still be able to hear me okay. Maybe use the partial, I think you mean particle effect, on the fireball. Partial effect? What do you mean, Dilbert? And Philip Livingston says thumbs up. Awesome, I have my vape now, thank goodness. And it's 100% charged, what's up? So yeah, next step is enhancing the title screen, and I had some thoughts for this. So first thing I think I'm gonna do is head over to Figma and export just the logo. Oops. We'll go grab this guy. Probably doesn't need to be 3x. I'm sure 1 is sufficient. Export Bygone, bam. Now, this I think was the title screen. Let's see. Yeah, it's the square bigger one, so this is for sure the title screen. Title BG, yeah. Okay, so now let's just delete the logo out of the title BG, if I can find it. There we go, there. Boink. So first thing we'll do is just make the logo like fade in. No reason, I just thought it might look cool. I have ideas but don't know coding language, so it might be the wrong word. Yeah, dude, no sweat, man. This is a safe space, bro. Shout out all the ideas, bro. So export title BG, boom. So that's all we need from Figma. So now let's open up Me Finder, downloads. We'll change that in a moment. Let's see, Kirk 2024 games. The same effect that the villain has where things are coming off him, like disintegrate. Oh, like have it almost like he's I think I get what you're saying, Dilbert. Like it's just like an ambient effect of it sort of like levitating off of him. Is that what you mean? Bygone. Public. Sprites. UI. Temp title. Yeah, let's ditch that in lieu of the title BG and the logo. So this one will change to logo. This one, that can stay. We'll get rid of temp title. Particle, yeah man, yeah. Particle's the word for sure. Boot. Yeah, I do want to load all this into memory, so we'll say UI heart UI temp title. We'll change this to title BG. Save that. UI logo. So we got the logo and we've got the title background. Now I need to get into the title screen and tweak this up a bit. BG is going to be UI title BG now. And with any luck, that will not be broken. Now, let's see. Am I still serving? Yep. Boink. There we go. Nice. So now it's just the background, no logo. Press any button to begin. Cool, cool. Now we just need to have this. So we got the text. We'll say const logo equals this dot add image 720 by 2, and we'll say like, I don't know, maybe 150 for the placement on the Y, and then we'll say UI logo. Now it should have the logo in there as well. Oh, it's huge though, that's funny. Okay, so this, or no, logo set scale 0.3, see how that looks. There we go, Bygone. Yeah, but on the fireballs. Okay, I think I get what you mean, Bert, but we kind of did that though, because that's what those like glistening things off the fireballs are. That is the particles. Anyway, we got logo. It looks a little too small though, so let's maybe make it like 0.4. See how that looks. There we go. That's pretty good. I like that. Maybe just up a little bit more, so like 125. Let's try that. Nice, there it is. That's pretty good. I like that. Bygone. And now we're gonna have the logo fade in. So we'll say this, nope, not this. Actually, yes, this. tweens, add, we'll say targets. Chat's lagging, could be my data. Oh shoot, okay. Sorry bud, yeah. Logo, and we'll say alpha is 1, duration is, let's do this relative to the other things. 1000, we'll say, let's say 1500, so that the logo comes in slower. And we just have to set the alpha to 0 initially. Let's see this, see how this looks. Nah, I want it to be more delayed than that. So let's say delay 750, let's try that. Still kind of faded in pretty quick, didn't it? Let's try this. There we go, that's a bit better. Maybe what we could do is do like 1500. Let's see how that looks. That might be too delayed, but might not be. No, that's good. I like that. Now, I already made a little title screen. I made a little title screen song sort of thing the other day. So let's put that in there. I just got to remember what it's called. So I think I put it in public already. Let's do public OST. Oh, maybe I didn't. No build, OST, title. There we go. Copy that. Public OST, boink. Title, let's just call it title. Then we need to load that into our bootloader. We'll say boop boop OST title. Gonna go do chores now. Have fun. All right, bro. Yeah, dude, thanks. You have fun too. Hopefully the chores aren't too strenuous. So we'll say OST title. And then we just have to play it when we hit the title screen. So we'll just do that right here. Actually, I'll do it at the top. That makes more sense to me. This dot sound play OST title. Okay, let's see how this sounds / looks. Ooh, not bad, I think. Dilbert says, oh, okay. What do we think, guys? How does that look? Look / more importantly, sound. I think if the logo comes in like a split second sooner, it'll line up nicely with one of those piano strokes. So let's do delay 50, take a quarter second off of that. I think even a little more, so like maybe just like, let's do 1,000 and see what that looks. Oh yeah. I don't know, guys. I thought that was pretty good. And you know what? As much as I have bigger goals with this title screen, including making the settings thing, I think I might save that for later. Because this to me is this is good enough for a 0.2 release. Let's try that one more time. Maybe 0.3 could have a fancier title screen. Yeah, guys, I don't know about y'all, but I'm going to send that. We'll say git status, git add all, git commit -m, title screen enhancements. Oh yeah, I should start referencing the issue number so that it shows up in here. Number 3, okay. Number 3, title screen enhancements. Push origin main. Let's double check that it actually showed up in the issue. It should. There we go. Added a commit that referenced this issue now. Title screen enhancements. And yeah, man, so that's done. Game settings, honestly, I do think I'm going to leave that for now. And we'll do the exciting thing of, how do you do strike through in Markdown? I can never remember. Strike through Markdown. Oh, double tildes, that's what it was. Alrighty, cool. Tilde, 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 update comment. So now we're gonna release 0.2. Heck yeah, man, 0.2, release is on its way. That's exciting. So, should just be as simple as building and zipping. So we'll say, just double check my build function, make sure I'm not doing anything wacky. Nope, it's just fight build, npm run build, building for production. Probably also want to check Netlify just to make sure that latest version is actually legit and it's all working. Press any button. Dilbert, there's your little jingle. Thank you for that, sir.
I said damage. With all due respect, sir, cool your jets. I don't have time for this. Let's... Sir, please. I understand.
Okay, yeah, seems to be working. You know it, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Wait, actually, I'm gonna just comment that so people can play the version. And 0.2 release, yeah, so we've built it. Now we just need to zip it. Doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doo. Where is it? Bygone. Dist. Rename that to 0.2. And compress. There we go. Now we should have 0.2 right there. Nice. I'm going to commit that also. Actually, wait. I'll make sure it works on itch before I commit it. Dashboard. Bygone. Edit. Up here, I think. Upload files. Kirk 2024 games. Dilbert, what? No, Bygone 0.2 14 megs, not bad. Wait, 14? It went from 3 to 14. Holy cow. Now, this file will be played in the browser. Yep, that's probably all we need. Let's save it, and we'll check it out if it worked. Loading beta, oh, beta 0.1, right, I got it. Oh, uh-oh, the launcher doesn't look too sweet on there. Just missed the bus, 44-minute wait. Ooh, Ooh, I'm sorry, bud. That sucks. That's no fun. So yeah, I do just need to tweak up the... I'll probably just remove the commentary button for now. Index. Launch 0.2. Select disabled. Bygone v0.2. There we go. Now I just need to rebuild that. Bygone 0.2 is built. Now I've got to re-zip it, so we'll delete that one, move to trash. This is 0.2. Compress. There it is, got 0.2. Move the folder to the trash. And dismiss that for now. Edit the game. Delete 0.2. And we'll say upload 0.2. Quite a process, this. File will be playable in the browser. Boom. And I just need to change the noun, the custom noun, wherever that is. Somewhere in here. Beta 0.1. Betas, let's just call it 0.2. There. Save. View page. Loading 0.2 for the first time. There it is. Look at that. Launch 0.2. All right, let's do a little playthrough, shall we? Also, well, I'll save that for later. Do a little playthrough. Here we go. Oh, where's our sound? Uh-oh. Oh, geez, it's crashing. Hold on, something's not right here. Let's try that again. Yeah, where's the sound? Oh, maybe the tab. Yep, the tab's muted. Unmute tab. Oh, what? Now it's not going full screen. What the heck? There we go. Okay, so there's some issues, but we'll figure that out in the next release, probably.
Damage report. I said damage report. With all due respect, sir, cool your jets. I don't have time for this. Let's... Sir, please. I understand that tensions are high right now.
But I advise you to take a deep breath and keep calm. My sensors indicate very little organic life in this desert. However, there seems to be a large concentration 10 kilometers out.
Perhaps it's an outpost of some kind.
Alrighty, it's all looking good so far. That full screen bug is weirding me out, though. I don't know what that's about, but
ahead.
should be fine.
Harmless, though. Don't bother it.
Now we hear the scary music, and don't get... Wow, they all spawned in the same spot. That's funny. Sucks to suck. Oh, ouch. Oh, so got him. Got him.
A tree.
I wonder how it's alive all the way out here.
Curious.
Nice. Done did it, people. 0.2 is out. I'm just a little paranoid about that launch bug or the full screen bug, but doesn't seem to be doing it, so whatever. Cool. Well, I did say I was going to try and game out a little at the end of this stream, so why don't we just do that for a bit. Oh yeah, release 0.2, check that off. Ayo! Jam some Guild Wars 2, let's try it. I have not ever tried that on stream before, so that this might be weird. We'll find out though. So, let's go GeForce Now. Because I'm streaming my games from a server, so like it's probably gonna be quite hard on my connection. So I'm just wondering if it's gonna be like dropping frames or anything like that, because I'm also streaming. Like streaming to YouTube, but oh great. Oh, sorry guys, I guess we're watching a South Park ad. Maybe I should pay for this service, it's pretty good. Let's watch American television. Isn't all television American? I thought that's where TV came from. This could get me banned so quickly. Oh, come on, seriously? Buddy, enough with the South Park ads. We don't need to watch that right now. Let's just wait on that. Oof. Oh, something's lagging. This is kind of an experiment. I don't really know if I can game on... Oh, wait, no, I remember this now. You know what? No, hold on. I need to rethink how this is going to work, guys, because the mouse I use for gaming, if I have it plugged in to the only thing I can plug it into, it lags, and that's no bueno. So... Boy, we'll actually quit that. That'll have to be for next time. I'll figure something out and we'll be able to do that next time. Sorry, y'all. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me on that journey. I'm hyped that we got 0.2 released. Honestly hyped. One last thing I'll do on stream is I'll drop a link into the chat if any of you guys would like to try 0. Did I say 1? I meant 0.2. 0.2, baby. Here we go. Philip says, hey everyone, thanks for the awesome time, awesome conversation, discourse, and incredible prodigious skills. Thanks, bro. So yeah, here we go. If anybody wants to try the game, that is the link. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I'm probably not going to be streaming again until either Thursday or Friday of this week coming up, just because I've got work and, you know, regular human stuff. But yeah, hopefully see you next time. Peace, guys.